Yeah, Ghost Wonders. I have to pick my own dog and bed and everything else. So let's go. I feel like the strawberry. That bed. That chicken nuggets. That one. That one. So does this look good? And why can I not zoom in? But does that look good? You know what it is. Peace out. Oh.